If you want to hear my latest update on my Project 10 uses, then stick around. Hi there, it's Hélène, and yes, I have an update on Project 10 uses, aka Loves Me, Loves Me Not. This was a project created by Paula from A Beauty Guru Made Me Do It. I'm pretty sure she's the originator. I will leave her information below, and today is a much better update than last time. Yay! And I'm so excited. Why do I have a hair tie on my arm? I don't know. Anyway, we have the premise. Let me just back up for a second. The premise of this panning project is to select 10 products, use them 10 times. When you've used them 10 times, to roll them out of your project. And last month was not as good an update as I would have liked. This month is a heck of a lot different, and I'm super excited. So let's go right through from, I'm going to say from the products that I have used the least to the products I haven't finished using, and then the products that I have used 10 times and that are rolling out, and then show you what is rolling in. By the way, if you are wondering how I came up with this look, I will put the video right here. It was created using mostly Clionadh Cosmetics eyeshadows and face products, and they are having a sale right now, and I thought that I would at least showcase some of their products because I'm a big fan of the brand. And yeah, let me know what you think of the look, and let me know if you are a Clionadh fan as well. I'd love to hear. There are 2 products that I did not use this past month, but I want to keep them in the project because otherwise I know that they just won't get used. It is the Smashbox Girl Gang, I'm pretty sure, yes, and the Charlotte Tilbury. Charlotte Tilbury I don't have a problem using at all, but I am trying to use Indian Rose by Tom Ford. That's not the color right now. I have another iridescent shadow on top that is lip safe, so I'm not giving you a good idea of the color. But it is a rich, conservative, flattering color, just as is the Bond Girl. But the problem is that I can only use so many Your Lips But Better flattering nude, and so this one took a back seat. And then this one, Smashbox Girl Gang, I just have to let it go. I did not use it, and the reason I am just not happy with it is that it completely dried out on me. I'm going to just keep it because I have a product that I think I'm revealing later today that I'm going to try to use to revive this lipstick. I have faint hope, but I'm going to keep it in the project until I know for sure that I have to chuck it because I love the color and it is not old. Now, a product that I have used quite a bit of is this Mascara Melt Off from Too Faced. And I have used it a total of 9 times, so I only need to use it 1 more time to get it out of the project. And frankly, by the time I use it the last time, it's probably going to be done because there's almost nothing left in here. So I'm having trouble using it to its fullest, so I think there's only 1 more use in here anyway, so that's great. I went a little bit out of order because I have these 2 nude sticks. There is the color Angel and the color Gilt, G-I-L-T, Gilt. And I've been using them as eye primer or as a very nude look on my eyes. If I just want to do mascara and a wash of color, I've been using these, but that's not very often for me. So I'm kind of an all or nothing girl when it comes to makeup. So I'm not using them a huge amount, and I'm trying to finish the Urban Decay Sin eye primer, which looks very much like this. So I'm going to focus on panning that, which is my absolute priority, but these will stay in the project. I used, let's see here, I used Gilt 5 times, and I used Angel 6 times total so far. And most of them, as I look in my book, and most of the uses, except for 1 for each, was in this month of the project. So I'm really happy about that. They're really a product that I have to focus on. So the fact that I got so much use is super in my books. Another product that I had that I really needed to focus on was the Bite Beauty Date. And this is also a matte that's very flattering. So, I mean, it competed with Charlotte Tilbury to be frank, and it was probably a bad idea to have it in the project, but I'm happy I used it. And I used it the 10 times. So I think it was the small size and the convenience of it that had me choose this one over the Charlotte Tilbury. But yeah, and it's older as well than the Charlotte Tilbury, so I'm happy to have used this 10 times and it's out of the project. Another lip product that is out of the project is this Joe Fresh Macaron. It is a lip balm, and I don't have that much left of it, which is great. I mean, it's still a lot, but it's a lot less than it originally had. I think it's almost, if not halfway. And I like it. The reason it was in this project is I wanted to get into a habit of wearing it nightly. It is a lip balm, and I find it very soothing to wear all night. It stays on my lips and does a great job. And I don't like the color, so I wouldn't wear it during the day. So this is a nice lip treatment option for me at night, and I've used it. I will continue to use it, but it will no longer be in the project because I'm done. This is a theme now. All these products are out of the project. Another one is this Lancôme La Vie est Belle, and it is a perfume that I wore a lot during the month of December. But when I had special occasions that were Christmas related, I used the Mon Guerlain, which is my absolute favorite perfume. But this one, nonetheless, the whole month of December, of course, I had time to use quite a bit of it. And as a matter of fact, there's not very much left in the bottle. I'm probably going to just focus on finishing it and moving this bottle just out. I think it's an okay perfume. It's definitely not my favorite. It would be nice to just use it up and move along. Another product that I am shocked that I got to the 10 uses is this Ouai Haircare Rose Hair and Body Oil. I used it as part of my hair care during the month of December and this beginning of January, mostly in January actually. And with it being winter, it's been really nice to have something that is hydrating to put on my hair, and my hair is a lot softer as a result. So I'm going to continue using it even though it's going to be out of the project. Which again, this project is so good for me to start forming habits around products, and I'm finding it very effective, except for a couple of lipstick products. But we can't be perfect. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Now the last product as well, of course, I am done with the 10 uses, and it is the Complexionista. And what I vowed to use was this #1 up here concealer on my under eye. And I did use it the 10 times. I'm happy about it. This palette is now in a project, the Partners in Cream project. I'll put the first or the intro right here for you. And so you'll see it pop up on this channel regularly just because it is part of that year-long project, which I'm very excited about. So out of 10 products, I have to replace 5 of them. The one I just talked about, the Complexionista, the Lancôme Perfume, the Bite Beauty lipstick, and the Joe Fresh lip balm, and then the Ouai Haircare. So what do I have going forward? I'm going to finish off the Melt Off, which I only have 1 use to go. I will try to finish my 10 uses of the Angel and Guilt from Nude Sticks. And I'm really going to focus on these two, this one to revive, that is #1 priority here. And if I can revive it, I will have no trouble using it. And then this one, now that the Bite Beauty Date lipstick is out, I am going to try to see if I can use it as regularly as I was using the Date lipstick. I would like to get this one out of my 10 uses. It's been in here too long and it's too good of a lipstick for me not to be using. I don't know what my problem is. Now for the new stuff. I am going to focus on my Guerlain perfume because it's in another panning project, and I think I'm going to be rolling it out and rolling it into this one. I would like to finish this bottle. It's been open quite a long time. There's still a whole lot of product, probably 4 months worth for me, but I do want to focus on it, so it's just going to keep showing up in panning projects. I am going to start using this Biossance Squalane Tea Tree Balancing Oil. And the reason I'm going to be using this is it is winter, my skin is very dry, and it would be good to start getting into a routine with this, so I want it in the project, so at least I use it 10 times. I am going to try to finish this little guy, which I think 10 times will do it. It is a brow wax, It's a depotted brow wax pencil from Sephora, and I've had this little guy hanging around for a long time, and I just need to focus on it. So probably 10 times I'll be done. I also want to use up a lip treatment. This is the Sugar Punch Tinted Lip Treatment. So whenever I feel like wearing red as opposed to a hot pink lip balm at night, that's the one I'll be using. And finally, I want to put in a product that I'm not using, and I don't know why. Probably because I don't like another product in this line. I really don't like their leave-in conditioner. And for some reason, I don't want to use this one, but they're different products. It's the same brand, but they're different products. So I need to be using it, and so I need to give it a good college try. And it is the Frizz Ease Forever Smooth Leave-In Cream Primer. So I am going to give this a shot 10 times, and we will see how I do with starting to use this product and whether I like it or not. So that is it for my 10 uses project update for the month of January. I hope you enjoyed this update. I think I did a much better job than last month, and I'm really excited about the prospects of doing a good job for us all again in my next update. Let me know what you think of the products that I finished, what I am rolling into the project. My panning in general, I would love to hear what you think down below about this video and more. And I do look forward to seeing you in the next video. And of course, the next update. But for now, take care.